Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a comment in Notion. So let's get started. So if you want to add comment in your page, simply go to the page and select the text where you want to add a comment. And here you can see this comment option. Simply tap on this option and give the comment that you want to add. And that's it, we have give our comment. So if you want to change this comment or delete this comment, simply tap on this text option, and here you can see the comment, and at the right side you will see this three dot option where you can edit the comment or you can delete the comment. So that's the process how we can give a comment in pages. But what about if you want to give a comment in any database? So to do this, go to the database, and in here select the row where you want to add a comment, and the right side you will see this comment option. Simply tap on this option and here give the comment, and that's it. As you can see, whenever you add a comment, this option or this text is highlighted. So whenever you will select on the text or the table things that you have at a comment, you will see this comment option, and you can always delete the option, or if you want to add more comment they will give you this option, so you can choose the options. And that's all. Hope this video find helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.